Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Cuddy dropping a new video for you guys here today. This is just an update on my Toyota Camry 1994, and today's the day when I'm going to go ahead and put all the cover piece back in, and I'm going to also put the sunroof cover, which is already put in. As you guys can see, I put the sunroof in. Now I gotta put the rear view mirror, the sunroof control, which is right here, and I also gotta go ahead and put my back interior light, which is here, and I'm gonna go ahead and also put my handles, all the pieces that are on the sunroof. I mean the roof cover. I'm gonna go ahead and put all those pieces back in place, and I'm very excited to finish up with this update and show you guys how my sunroof look. I got all the pieces right here, as you guys can see. I spray a vinyl sprayed them. They look really nice. So sit back, relax, man, and let's put all these pieces back in place and finish up with this installation. Alright guys, this is it. This is the result of my Toyota Camry roof cover and all the pieces here, all the trims. If you guys look, it looks really nice, red, black. I'm very happy and really happy of the result, and I can't wait to work on some more areas on my Toyota Camry, do some more updates. So if you like this video, man, give it a thumbs up, and I catch you on the next one.